Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and I have been forgetting to say that in the intro of my videos, so I'm sorry, but my name is Debbie, and this is Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. For today's video, we're going to do our Allure unboxing. I feel like this is like my most anticipated beauty box because it takes forever to get here. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, it's coming in another video. And if it is out already, I will put it up here somewhere. It'll flash up here. You can click on it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Allure is a $15 a month beauty subscription, which comes with 4 to 5 luxury or sample size products. I believe, if anything, I will of course list everything in the description box below. That's like my new favorite saying now. If I can open it. And I dropped my booklet that it comes with, but it comes with a booklet that basically gives you a little bit of information on everything and lets you know the prices or the prices of the full size product and where you can get it. They also sometimes include discount codes in the booklet for your purchase if you wish to purchase the full size. So let's go ahead and jump right into this box. So the first thing I see that looks really interesting is this thing. This is the CLE, I think that's CLE, Melting Lip Powder, Long Lasting Matte Lip and Cheek Tint. I don't like when stuff says lip and cheek. I will probably never use it on my lip. I am not a cream or anything blush person. I like my powder blushes. I don't think I've ever used a cream blush or anything like that. It's just weird. But anyways, this is what it looks like. That's what packaging looks like. This is in the color Desert Rose. That sounds really pretty. And it's like, it looks like powder, like, you guys can see it move. Like it moves like powder. That's weird. I don't know how I feel about this, but okay. It doesn't come out like powder. It comes out like kind of like a matte, like a real matte lipstick that's about to dry your lips. It kind of looks like that, so let's swatch it. Oh, it's a pretty color. And see, it didn't go on like a powder. It went on like a matte lipstick. I'm definitely not using that on my cheeks, but that is a really pretty, and I think the name fits it well, like a Desert Rose. Like not too red, but like a nice, like mauve red. I don't know if that's the name I would go for it, but I mean, Desert Rose explains it correctly. I won't be using this on my cheeks, but I will use it on my lips because that is a really pretty color. And the texture is kind of interesting. Interesting, to say the least. Next, I see a hair product. That was an ugly face. It says Kendra Dry Oil Control Spray, Medium Hold Nourishing Spray, New Thames Frizz. You guys know, or if you don't know, don't like getting hair products in beauty boxes because I am very picky with my hair care because I have curly hair. And if you can see right now, it is not living for it. So we probably won't try this, but just to, I guess, see how it is, I'm going to spray it on my arm. It says it's an oil. It's kind of like dry. It doesn't feel like oil. Well, then I guess that's what it's a dry oil. So I'll be probably passing that on to my mom or a friend with frizzy hair. Next, let's see what's in here. Ooh, look at this little bag. Beauty tool. Oh, yeah. Beauty Loot. And I got another hair product I'm not happy about. and it's by L'Oreal, so it's probably not good for my hair. But it says L'Oreal Elinette Satin New Look Extra Strong Hold, disappears at the stroke of a brush, humidity resistant hairspray. I'm gonna keep this. I probably won't use it, who knows how long, but I'm gonna keep it because, you know, sometimes you do have those like events, you know, like a wedding or something where I might have my hair up in a crazy style and I might need it to stay like that for a long time. And I don't really have hairsprays because I'm so picky with hair stuff. And the stuff in here probably is not good for your hair. But I mean, it's a hairspray, so I'm going to hold on to this. Again, you guys know how I feel about hair stuff in my beauty box. Next is the Saint Tropez Instant Highlight Shine Effect Finishing Gloss One Night Only Gloss. So I'm guessing this is like a body kind of highlight thing. It says give your skin an instant high shine effect with our wash off finishing gloss. Let's try it. Sounds interesting. I don't usually try this stuff while I'm on here, but sounds interesting. And everyone's doing those like body glosses, so that's what the packaging looks like. Looks like a pretty color for me. That's it right there. Let's move it around. Feels it, yeah. I don't really see much glitter. It kind of just feels like oil. It feels like brown oil. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll put on my legs when I'm wearing like a dress or something. We'll see if it does anything for them. Makes them look nice. It's got some childhood scars going on there. Next, I got the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So it's just, they gave me two, which is cool, instead of one because I don't really like foil packets. But it is an eye mask, and I'm excited to try it, and it's gold. So we'll see. We'll see if it does anything for my aging eyes that I need to take care of. And then the last, and I'm not happy about, but I mean, this is kind of new, and it's summer and hydrating and blah, blah, blah. So I would see why they would include it, and I guess everyone else likes it but me. I got distracted by my highlight. Okay, so it's the Hello Fab First Aid Beauty. I probably shouldn't have read that part, Hello Fab. The First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So I've tried this once, and I told you guys it burnt my face. Maybe I'll try it again. If not, it did work for my friend, so I will give it to her. So I'll give it another go. Since I got it, maybe it's a sign. Maybe my skin just wasn't for it at the time, but it may be for it now. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. So this month's boxes, I think I'm going to go with my my BoxyCharm. I think did it this month. Usually it's my Allure box, like I get really excited for it, but I think my BoxyCharm did it. Overall, it wasn't a bad box. I mean, I did get a lot of stuff now that I look at it. But I mean, the only thing I'm really excited to try is these eye things and this lipstick crazy thing. And then I'll try this again, even though I didn't like it before. And this is like an oil stuff, but we'll give it a try, right? We'll give it a try. It's summertime. Let's see if it makes my legs look nice. And then the two hair products. I would have liked something else from these two hair products, but wasn't a bad box. A lot of stuff in it, which is what I love about Allure, is that I get a lot of stuff for $15. But that is it for this month's Allure beauty box. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to Allure and what you got in your box. And I was going to say, don't forget to leave me a comment, but I already asked you guys to comment about your Allure box if you are not, or if you're subscribed. and subscribe if you have not already to my channel. And if you are subscribed or you're going to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell on the side so you never miss out on one of my videos. Bye guys.